What's up everybody, it's Matt from TDM Style here. Welcome back to the channel for another review, and today we're having a look at the brand new Black Clay shampoo and conditioner from Shehvoo. So, if you've been living under a rock, I guess, and you don't know who Shehvoo is, they're a brand, another one of those kind of YouTuber hair product brands from Dre Drexler, and so this is, what is this, their 1, 2, 3... This is their fourth product drop. That took me way too long to count those out. Yeah, so they started out with their activating oil cleanser, then they had their ocean clay, then their ocean spray, sea salt spray, and now their shampoo and conditioner set. So they do have a blurb on the back of each one. So essentially what they're calling this black clay because it has black clay in it, as well as some charcoal. So what they have here, it says it's a highly effective cleanser designed to strengthen, geez, I can't even talk. Designed to strengthen and nourish weak hair. Our unique formulation will provide your hair with high-performing ingredients to make your hair noticeably thicker, fuller, and smoother. With regular use, your hair will be revived and detoxified with a luxurious blend of black clay and charcoal, infused with hair-fortifying properties. I was going to say ingredients there. Our biotin and aloe vera work in harmony to promote strong, healthy, and well-nourished hair. Similarly, on the conditioner one, this says it's a rich formulation designed for Okay, let's start that one over, shall we? Rich formulation designed with superior hair strengthening benefits. When used with the black clay shampoo, your hair will be noticeably fuller, thicker, and volumized. With regular use, your hair will be revived and detoxified with a luxurious blend of black clay and charcoal. Once again, infused with hair fortifying properties, our biotin and hair repairing proteins serve as a necessary component to prevent breakage and encourage new hair growth. Whew, so mouthful, I got through there somehow. I can't English today, but yeah, so there you go. So they got a little bit of charcoal in there, a little bit of black clay, and some other goodies, aloe vera, biotin, proteins, and things. So yeah, on paper, sounds like it should definitely smooth out your hair and strengthen it and just make it feel pretty healthy. So let's get cracking into these and we'll take a look at the packaging first. So both of these come in these 8.5 fluid ounce or 250 milliliter matte black plastic pop top bottles. Another mouthful. Then we've got the white text on there that's actually printed straight onto the bottle. And then on the reverse side of each bottle, we have the directions for use, a little blurb about the product, and of course the ingredients as well. And each of these are coming in at $22 US. You can, of course, also buy them as a kit for $44, which currently is on sale for somewhere around $37.50, I think, if I remember correctly. All right, now we have to talk about everybody's favorite category. It's time to smell a bitch. Oh, fuck me up, dude. Dude, the shampoo, like, no joke, smells fucking magical. I don't know what it is. I checked. It doesn't list the scent profile on the website, but it's, well, so it's fruity, it's sweet. The first thing that came to mind is that the smell of the shampoo reminds me of Sweet Tarts candy. If you've never had those, that reference is just completely lost on you, and I'm sorry, but I just got some on my nose. Yeah, but fruity, sweet, a little bit of, like, I don't know, tangy, citrusy flair in there. I don't know, it smells wonderful. Now, the conditioner, similarly fruity. I don't know if it's the same scent or not. It smells different to me, like slightly different. Not in a bad way. I like the smell of the shampoo better than the conditioner, but both fuck me up pretty good. All right, now the ingredient list, I mean, these are shampoo and conditioners, they're lab made, so the lists are massive. So I will try to have them listed for you down below. I believe they are listed on the website, so I can link those or what have you. But so we can talk about the kind of key ingredients they've got listed on the front of each bottle real quick. So they are sulfate and paraben free, we'll say that straight away. In the shampoo, so we have black clay, charcoal, cucumber, aloe vera, biotin, and provitamin B5. Yeah, so biotin and vitamin B5, great for stimulating hair growth. Of course, yeah, the black clay and the charcoal are meant to kind of remove impurities, but without like sucking too much of the moisture out of your hair. Aloe vera, of course, cucumber, adding more moisture back in. Now, charcoal, conditioner, hooray, words. We've got black clay and charcoal again. Then we have silk and wheat proteins, which is really interesting. Again, we have biotin and then biotin? I don't know what my problem is today. Biotin, and then we have vitamins E, A, and C. All right, so without further ado, I guess we can go straight into the demo footage. We'll take a quick look at the products themselves kind of during that, and then we'll see how they work. So we're starting out the demo with a couple day-old hair that just looks gross, let's be real. It's got oil and product in it, and it's gotten wet, so my curls just look yuck. So definitely in need of a good wash. So we're starting out by wetting things down, and then we're gonna go in with a bit of the shampoo. So, talking about the texture of the product for a second here, it feels luxurious. I mean, it's thick, it's silky smooth. Of course, you can see a bit of that grayish tone from the charcoal and the black clay in there, but it does just feel very, very hydrating. It doesn't feel drying at all, but as you work it in, you will see that it does form a really rich, creamy lather, which is quite nice. So after a good massage into the scalp, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse that out, and then we're back to go in with a round of the conditioner. So taking a look at this one, you can see it is a, it's a conditioner. So it's got a lotion-like consistency. Once again, it's got that kind of grayish tone from the charcoal and the clay. And you can actually, if I zoom in enough here, hopefully you can actually see it. You can see little particles of those in there, which is interesting. Now, getting this into the hair, you can feel right away that basically everything is completely detangled. It's super slick and smooth, and definitely feels pretty moisturizing. Now, going to rinse this out is one thing that is a bit of a minor gripe for me, but I get it. It feels really slippery in the hair. So the best way that I can describe that is like if you've ever used a smoothing serum that has silicones in it, like Paul Mitchell Super Skinny or something, where it just, your hair feels slick to the point that it feels slippery. So washing it out, it takes a bit of getting used to, because even as you rinse it out, your hair still feels like slippery for a bit. And even once this is all rinsed out, it stays feeling that way. And I don't know for sure, but I think that that's due to there's the hydrolyzed silk in here, which, silk protein. There is also panthenol, which is very highly moisturizing for the hair. It's in a lot of great conditioners. And there is dimethicone, so there is a little bit of silicone in here. So I think that's where that kind of slipperiness feeling comes from. So before we go to the finished look here, I do want to just say, just stop for a second, because I know already somebody's down there typing like, silicones are bad, they clog your scalp. Duh. Stop. I am still planning to do a busting hair myths video with a couple of professional stylists. Be sure we're going to talk about silicones and that shit, but I am of the opinion, after doing a lot of research, I mean, there's like some really good stuff on like Redken's educational stuff about silicones and curly hair and whatever. Yeah, silicones can clog your scalp if you use them like all the fucking time and don't wash them out properly. But that's not the thing. That's not a thing for most people. And especially, conditioner, it's going to be in for a couple of minutes and you're going to rinse it out right away. So it's not like you're leaving it in and you're letting those silicones gel in there. Whatever. It's fine. Stop worrying about it. Anyway, on to the final look now. So after rinsing out that conditioner, then we're going to, of course, blow dry that bitch, and here are the final results. Yeah, as you can see, things are looking pretty stellar here. My hair is feeling really smooth, really soft. It's lightweight. It's got a nice natural looking shine to it. And yeah, it feels nice and clean, but not overly clean, which is something that I look for in a good shampoo and conditioner. And also the fact that it's not weighed down at all. It feels very lightweight, so while the conditioner does a nice job of really sealing in the moisture and making my hair feel nice and soft and smooth, it doesn't weigh it down. So, of course, these aren't styling products, so no need for an endurance thing. But yeah, as I mentioned, both my wife and I have been using these off and on for a few weeks now, and she really likes them too. And I'll tell you what, she was washing her hair with these like before I came down to record this, and I walked by the bathroom and like the smell of the shampoo hit me. Fuck. Yeah, I think, well, so I guess we're moving into overall thoughts here, so I'll do my thingy. Yeah, no, I think Shehvoo nailed it with these. I think that these are great. I think they're very well done, and they feel very high quality to me. And with that comes, I guess, a little bit of tea. Not really, I don't know, whatever. But in my opinion, amongst the YouTuber hair products, excluding ones made by professional hairstylists. We're talking, so we've got like Shehvoo from Dre Drexler. We've got, of course, Blue Mon from Joe. We have now Alex Costa's hair clay, which we all know how I felt about that. We've got, you know, Hudson and Maine from Jose. We know how I felt about those too. Yeah, in my opinion, of all of those folks' products, so I realize there are some brands that I left out here, but you get the idea. We're talking about YouTube guys that hired a chemist in a lab to make some products for them. Okay? Okay. I think that Shehvoo are the most professionally done. I think that they are just the nicest set of products. I think they've got themselves a good chemist and a good lab, and they've got good formulas, and I think that they work very well, and they work as they're advertised. So yeah, I've really had nothing to complain about any of Shehvoo's products. I still like their oil cleanser from time to time. The ocean clay is a nice take on a traditional heavy clay, and their sea salt spray was one of very few that doesn't make my hair feel dry as fuck, which I always appreciate. And so now we've got their 4th drop, and yeah, I think that they did a great job once again. So I guess that about wraps things up for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this and found it helpful. I know a number of you have been waiting for these for a while, so I'm glad I was finally able to get to these, especially right around New Year's time. So I don't know what day this is going to be uploaded, but we'll say Happy New Year to everybody. Happy 2020. Hopefully this year will be wonderful for every one of you. So please stay tuned to the channel, guys. As always, I have so much more stuff coming. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below to keep up to date with everything. And as always, thank you guys so much for coming by and watching. And we'll see you at the next one.